I bring a brand new car to a car show.
See, I probably have to.
Well, that's what Corey was saying.
Honestly,
It's like it's too new for me.
Yeah. They have a sheet made up for it?
I want to get one of these boards.
I do too.
My wife's gonna make me one. I want one made out of wood.
Oh. He would walk right up to it.
Oh yeah, you got him. It's a pretty rare looking Honda, eh?
I like the scoop on it.
That's the actual air breather.
Actually?
Yeah, look where the air box is underneath the hood.
Oh, nice.
Let's go check out the engine so all those haters at the ledge can look at it.
Nice.
It's an old school Prelude. It's a Prelude guy.
Nice car.
Showing off his interior, just in case you guys don't know already what his interior feels like.
You've never seen the back of a cop car.
It's like, should be caution tape, like you do not want to come here.
This is the bad zone.
It's like, don't touch my private spots. Door prizes.
Well, we thank everybody for coming out today. We're fortunate enough to have the sunshine, which is really good. Keep your numbers for your vehicles close at hand. We're going to do some door prizes. To go by the number of your vehicle when you register.
Joe Kanye, back up.
So when you hear the music stop next time, it'll be to give away some prizes. We also have draws for the Bronx football team. The 2 bicycles that are sitting up here by the hamburger stand. They're selling tickets to win the 2 mountain bikes there. And our People's Choice Award this
You don't feel so intimidated when somebody's sitting right behind it.
That's true, isn't it?
Yeah, because that's how I feel too. And if somebody's sitting there, I don't like to really scoop around much.
For their car and their garage, they have an older Pontiac, about a 51. So it's a little award to get their car a little bit better.
This guy's been out about it.
That's the reason why people charge themselves. Anyway, enjoy yourself.
Well, that's the collector car club.
Look at that Bel Air. Yeah.
Dude, look at the sport track over there.